how to change receiver name on Western Union. So let's get into the video. Firstly, open up Western Union and log into your account. So once you have logged into your account, what you're going to do is you're going to click on this history option here. So go to history and select the transaction that you wish to change the receiver details for. So this one here, for example, this one here. So please note that you won't be able to make any change if your transaction has been complete. So you won't be able to edit it anymore. All right, so you can only make change if it has been just initiated or if it's still under process, something like this. So click on the transaction. So open up the transaction, and then here you will see an option called edit the name or change to your receiver name however you want to, and then save it and complete the transaction. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.